Well, on YouTube, and yes, it's just me, and I'm back on the behalf of both of us with another video. So in this video, I'm just going to be doing a haul. Yesterday I did some, I guess, preliminary shopping. So I'm just going to kind of show everything that I got. I'll let you know what's up. So I went to Sephora, and the Sephora was actually inside of a JC Penney, and saw a little sale, so did have to go and see what I could find. So I found a few things, and I'm gonna show you. I went to Sephora with pretty much intention of getting a new foundation for the wedding, and possibly some other items that could make me do my makeup a little bit more easy, because I'm gonna be on my own here. So I'm gonna show you what I got.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Alright. Yeah. So let's go to Sephora first. Cute and nice. I didn't even look through it. Let's see. Hope you guys hope it focused. Anyways, so I only got 2 items. Hopefully I can get to go to like a Marshall's where I can buy like a small brush set. I mostly just want one to carve out like my eyebrow when it comes to that stage. So apparently Sephora items were on discount, like 50% off. So I got this Sephora angle brush. And she gave me a sponge to test the makeup, which you guys would have seen in the previous vlog, I think. And she said I could mimic the same motions with this brush. I'm going to test it out hopefully today, and I want to just buy the regular sponges as well to kind of make it work. I also have my Real Technique sponge, so I use that as well. And this is the foundation. So we don't have to the box of that too. I just grab this and wait. Yeah, I got Clinique Stay Matte Oil Free Makeup. Yeah, so this is it. It kind of blending well with my skin. You guys, if you guys haven't seen the previous vlog, I definitely implore you to go check it out. Like, it blended so well, I'm tempted to kind of go back and get a next one, seeing that it's on sale. Yeah, because it's pretty small. It's pretty small. I'm really tempted to go back and get the next one because I really liked it, but I'm not a makeup person, so I may just be wasting my money to do that. Anyways, so that's Sephora. Now I'm sure what I got inside JCPenney itself. I definitely outgrew a lot of my things. I definitely needed some. I can't really tight up and squeeze up life no more. So sweatpants, anything that fits, like the slide on, that's my thing. So I got these sweat bottom. I think this one I got from my mother. Yeah, this is the bigger one. So yeah, it's juicy. It's Juicy Crown. Juicy Couture, sorry. Yeah, it's a regular sweat bottom pants. And I got like, she got the black and I got the gray to it. I got I'm gonna try them on now. But this is okay. Well, I'm gonna try them on. Yeah. Simple. And I saw these shorts. I couldn't leave them. Suede and everything look good. Same juicy as well. And and upon me checking out, I forget about this. I had so much jewelry that I barely wear. Not accessories person, not a makeup person that much. And I left all of them. Did not really think about bringing them. So I bought this cute set. I can just, yeah. I got earring and makeup, and this was like $10. Yeah, just $9.99. So $10. And then upon me checking out, I saw this beauty and was like, when I saw the price, I'm like, this is like the same thing I would pay on Amazon, which was my intention. I bought this for Orain actually, and I was like, if I like it, I'm gonna go back and get one for myself because we both wanted new headphone sets. So I'm gonna try this. It was $19.99, and I think I pretty much, I paid more than that on Amazon, so I'm like, might as well. So we'll move on to Burlington now, people. So I think I did some my skin catch a fire a little bit. I really needed things even just for the time that I'm going to be here, because Like I've always been saying, I don't work with all of things. I give away a lot of my things and I outgrew them too. So I was kind of starting fresh. So this trip was kind of really needed for that sake. But me going to shop, because I've definitely been looking for like my wedding, like the wedding dress and those stuff. So I forgot to find out where I can go buy this dress for the wedding, because I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna ask that later when I finish this video. So when I was shopping, I also worked up on items that would go good for my business that I wanted to buy. If you're new to the channel and you don't know, yes, I have a big business and I wanted to get new tools, so this will go great when I'm ready to use it. So I'm gonna open this, I'm gonna try them, I'm gonna test them out, everything I need to test out between tonight and tomorrow, because if they're not good, may I return them, period. So yeah, a lot of these were like probably the same thing I would buy on Amazon, and they were a bit cheaper and I could have get them right now, but I wouldn't have to wait. Plus, like, I don't have a card, so that's the next problem on its own. So well, a card for USD, if you get what I say. I have the US cash, I 8 more I use, not no JMD. Anyhow, this looked really nice. It looked just like the one I would probably buy, this in a different color. So I'm going to pull it out later and see what's going on. Alright, so all shoes me need to get. I come find with me one piece of pop down slippers. So let me know what this. Yeah man, I know someone will cost me. Yeah man, what this bad. What this bad. But anyways, I got these Skechers sneakers. Yes, and I definitely need to stop wearing these flat bottom shoes. So let me get this. I think I'm gonna start wearing them today if I get to go back out on the road. They were comfortable, like cushion from the top to down here. So be nice man, very nice. I'm gonna get more sneakers if I get to go to like a Marshalls or something like that. Next, more business stuff. I wanted a curling iron. I have curling ones, but them kind of fail me. Only the skinniest one kind of work right now very well. Yeah, so I've been wanting to try a curling iron. These are a lot of what I see the girlies be using. Yes, when it comes to their curls, but I'm gonna try this. Revlon better not fail me. So I'm saying I'm gonna try them and return what does not work properly or just does not suit me. Okay. Anyways, next I needed a little bag where I could have just strap for myself. I already moved because rotting. I'm not your turn. Ready and move because I'm unmiggle if I carry my carrying my purse, mask, sanitizer, in my hand middle. So that never works. So I'm gonna get this. Nice. I video call Mommy and Orain and they pretty much chose this one for me, and I'm like, you know, might as well. And they look a bit cheaper too. So I went with this one. Jones, I think, yeah. I'm a family name too, you know. Hey, nothing really notice. I guess it was meant for me. New York signature. Alright, so you guys got to see this. Yeah. Not got much details with this. That's what I'm saying, size. Oh, my friend, you know. Yeah. So this is a new bra size. I'm going to try this out as well before I kind of get more into it. Yeah. You get some underwear as well. All them I go wash and try. Well, probably not the bra first. I have to really test that out because that's a completely different size. And there's one more bag. A huge bag. Yeah. Try not to make this haul too long, but let me get into this. Yeah guys, like, you can definitely comment down below other places you would like to see me go and make hauls of it. I definitely have an idea, like I definitely want to go to Dollar Tree, Five Below. I don't know when I'm going to get to do it, if it's before or after I leave to New York. That is going to be a next vlog on its own. But I'm leaving to New York this Friday, so I'll be definitely, if I don't get to do it now, I'll do it then or when I get back, because I'm coming back. So anyways, guys, I said a bathroom, but I'm gonna leave it. It was $9. Feel nice. Oh God, it feels so. I couldn't leave it. Couldn't leave it. I mean, no say when out of Jamaica, at $3,000 I sell them at a phone. $3,000. Couldn't leave it. Could not leave it. This feels very nice. Could not leave it. Could not leave it. You don't people want to leave it now. Anyways, so no, of course would have to go shopping for Orain. This is just the start of it though. So I got him these pants, these shorts. Yes, they cute. They cute. I'm gonna have my man standing when I get back. I'm not sure the video I recorded on camera, but I feel so terrible. I find out I'm still not talking to myself for over 11 minutes. No, but I feel worthless in my life. But anyways, this is the pants. I'm gonna show our next one. Yeah, I also got him these. These were like a cheaper option of the two as well. I'm gonna definitely buy some more as I saw some other shorts and pants that I'm gonna have to go back and get. So these are so nice. These are so nice. So I'm gonna get him some more. I saw some pants and everything, but that's for our next trip. Mostly I really needed things that I'm going to be using now because I never walk with nothing. No, I never walk with nothing. Nothing much. Anyways, so I definitely need some pajamas. Listen to me people, this is for you. Air condition, only air condition living on the film house. And this piece of string up like pajamas or marina not gonna work. So I'm gonna find some decent pajamas, although that was my intention from day one, but the fact that hair is so cold, I had to make sure that these materials were decent. So yeah, kinda get this posh, what's that? You see it? This posh 2-piece pajama set. I'm gonna rinse them out and like start wearing them immediately. These are out of the other set that I bought. I also got these. Mama said she liked these. This with a matching top as a pajama as well. The materials are really nice. This should really help with the cold nights. Alright, so basic. I got these so when I start working or actually start working full time. These are kind of some casual formal looking pants, cute, fit well. I think it was on clearance too, not sure, but these are good. And the last, no, this is not the last. Is it the last? Yeah, I think it's the last. Good, great. And the last thing of this haul, yeah, I think it's the last of this haul. I got these 2-piece sets. I'm definitely gonna have a lot more shopping to do, but I can pace myself. I'm not really in much of a rush. As I said, I definitely I mostly wanted the pajamas, the shorts, and a few other things, the bag, the shoes, everything. These are things I really more needed, and if I get to go on the road again, I'll definitely vlog that. I don't know if I'm gonna do a next haul unless it's like a specific store and show you guys what's on. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. As I said, if you have like a specific store that you would love to see a haul from, like I don't know, Dollar Tree, Five Below, Macy's, Sephora again, I don't know, you can let me know, comment it down below and see what I can do. I'll definitely be vlogging most of this trip, hopefully, to get you guys, you know, updated, keep you guys updated of what's been going on. Anyways, remember to watch the ads, click the like button, please to share, it can definitely help. Sharing is caring, and stay tuned for the rest of this journey. Bye guys. Oh yeah,